The V-Fume is our answer to fast fashion. What are your clothes really made of? There is a big problem within the fast fashion industry and the textiles they use. These cheaply made and highly processed clothing are emitting toxic gases called VOCs and SVOCs and a process called off-gassing. So, what is off-gassing? Well, during the manufacturing and production of clothing and textiles, chemicals can become trapped and eventually release these chemicals as particulate matter and gases. VOCs are naturally occurring, but a lot of them are human-made. Compared to the relatively low levels of VOCs outdoors, the concentration levels found in the clothing that we wear begin to infringe on our health. These are some common VOCs and SVOCs found in our clothing. Introducing the V-Fume. We created this device designed to plug into the smartphone. With the V-Fume, consumers gain the ability to scan garments to check for any VOCs before they make the conscious decision to purchase them. Here are some of the components the V-Fume comes with. So how does it work? Well, first you plug it into your smartphone. Then you press the power button. Afterwards, you hover the intake vent over the article of clothing. Then you allow a couple of seconds for it to read. Along with the results displayed on the V-Fume, a pop-up should come up to your phone screen where you can dive deeper into exactly what VOCs, how many, and the side effects they may cause you. Afterwards, you'll be able to make a decision on whether or not you purchase the clothing item or not. This device addresses the problem by putting the power into the consumer's hand to see for themselves what their clothes are really made of. This device will also help address issues involving current unethical clothing manufacturing practices. If us, as consumers, are the ones left with a byproduct, then it is the low-wage workers and sweatshops who become in direct contact with the VOCs, SVOCs, and a plethora of other chemicals that endanger their health. Different countries and regulating bodies have different standards for what they consider to be a harmful VOC and its safe levels in textiles. In a world distrustful of any so-called industry standards, the V-Fume doesn't lie.